We have flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, or white sugar.
Some people, they don't say
and
it. Like,
chocolate chips, vanilla, and salt. And baking soda. We have 2 eggs na binuksan na ni Johan. And what is this, anak ko?
Butter.
Unsalted butter. Hello guys! Magbe-bake tayo today. At magbe-bake tayo ng cookies. And now, ang gagawin natin, i-mix muna natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. Ito, yung ating flour. Mix na. Baking soda. Put it here.
which one?
That one, baking soda.
The baking soda.
Here.
Put the baking soda.
Here, mix it. And salt.
Salty.
Gonna mix it. Mix it now. Yes.
Mom,
mix
they
it.
said like hand things. That thing.
Later. That's for later.
Oh, right.
Yes.
My mom, she taught me how to bake because other kids are better because like their moms, they teach their children how to bake like fast. Like when they're babies, they teach them how to bake. That's the most important thing to teach your baby.
You're right.
Yeah, not like put the thing in the oven and stuff.
No,
like just mix.
Now we're gonna sit aside
And
this
say,
one.
please.
Sit aside. And then let's get this bowl.
Now let's mix all the way.
Okay, now put the butter now.
Well,
Yes, Johan. Okay, gonna put the butter.
the whole thing.
Yeah, whole thing. 1 stick butter.
Ah!
1 stick unsalted butter. Okay. And now
I'm so crazy, but oops,
granulated sugar. Okay, put the white sugar. Granulated sugar.
I
Okay.
forgot that wasn't.
Okay.
I thought you were good.
Sugar.
I wanted to put it on top of the bread.
Okay, come
I
on.
just want-
Next, we're gonna put the brown sugar later.
And
Very
another
good.
bath of brown sugar.
Good job.
Please do not do this.
This one.
On top! Do not do this on top of your...
Ay! Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Mommy.
I'm sorry.
I
Mix it na.
Oh,
May
yeah.
mix na siya ni Johan.
beat it up.
Beat it up. We love that part.
I remember
Okay.
last... What? You put too much, Mom.
It's okay. That's fine.
You what? Bean! How about that piece? Mom, why did you put too much? Is that too much or not?
That's enough.
Enough of the vanilla? Or no? You know you gotta wait for me.
Put the egg. Okay, we have eggs.
Egg.
And everything. Okay, 1 egg. Another egg, boy. Another egg. Put the egg. Another egg.
Wait. First egg. First egg. Okay. Second egg.
Okay.
Can I do it? chocolate
chocolate
chips.
chips.
Well, Mom. Me. Because it's just red and white.
Maybe this one. So it's easy.
Ah.
Maybe use this bay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, you have to do it this way. Ayan.
Taste test 3 is a really yummy one. Taste test 1 is the same thing. La 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 la.
Ayan. Ngayon, meron tayong big tray. So, ilalagay natin ngayon. Ito guys. Ito
Last
pang,
time we did that was
yes, pang cookies talaga ito. So, I'm gonna show you first. Ayan. Tapos,
take off the extra.
ayan.
There, a yummy,
There you
yummy.
go. Come on. It's your turn now.
So you just scoop it up like you do with ice cream. Scoop it up like you do with ice cream. Take off some. And then
Good job. Good boy. Hinit na natin yung ating oven ng 375. Tapos, i-bake natin siya ng 6 to 7 minutes.
and take some off.
See you guys!
Scoop it up. Then see you next time. That's what I want. Scoop it up.
Yun, I love this. Wow, wow.
Victory!
Ayan, it's ready guys. Ngayon lalagyan na natin sa oven. Ayan, ang oven. Mainit na yung ating oven. So ngayon we're gonna put it inside the oven. See you later.
Do not let your babies do this.
See you later guys. Wow, looks so good. Look at guys.
Smells so
So
good.
now we're gonna put another one. Where is the another one, Mahal? Oh, yeah. I put it here on the plate. Yan. Ngayon, lalagay natin tong isa. Another 7 minutes. 7 minutes. And there you go. And ito guys, papalamigin mo na natin. Ita-transfer natin dito sa tray.
Ready to eat. It's only 1 minute.
Is it cold now? Oh, it's a little bit soft, but you have to cool it down. Cool it down.
I counted to 6. So it's 1 minute already.
Meron pa tayong konti dito.
It's not ready already.
Since Johan can't wait, so
No, I can wait.
you can wait or you can't. I'm gonna.
I can. There.
Johan got this part already. You can just have it. Ay, come on. You can have it, anak. Ay, come on.
Try my mom's recipe.
Okay. See you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next one. This looks.
Mom, what?